Hello and welcome to this grammar presentation tutorial about pronouns. Well, first of all, let's have a quick think. What are pronouns? They're a very important part of speech. What are they? Well, pronouns are words that take the place of nouns, and we often use them to avoid repeating the nouns that they refer to. Okay? You'll see some examples to help understand this. So here are the pronouns: I, you, we, they, he, she, it. I is me, myself, I'm talking. You can be one person or a few people. We is I with other people. We. They, two or more people. He, a boy, a male. She, a girl, a female. And it can be a place, a thing, or a living creature. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. And here are some examples. So, I am a teacher. I work in a school. This is not a picture of me. I am a teacher. I work in a school. You are a student. You like learning. You. We are all humans. We live on planet Earth. They are Blackpink. They live in Korea. He is Ed Sheeran. He is English. She is Shakira. She is Colombian. It is a white rhino. It lives in Zimbabwe. Okay, another important thing to understand is that we can swap a noun for a pronoun. So we see here, the boy has a dinosaur. He got it for his birthday, because we know he is referring to the boy, and it is the object, the dinosaur. Another example. The students do their work. They have nearly finished it. So we use the pronoun so we don't keep repeating ourselves. Instead of the students do their homework, the students have nearly finished their homework. It's too long, it's unnecessary. So we use the pronoun instead. Okay, so I hope you understand that. Pronouns quite straightforward, quite easy. So now it's your turn, and I have a few questions for you to complete. 6 questions. Please add the correct pronoun. So is it I, you, we, they, he, she, or it? What would be the correct pronoun to complete these sentences? Okay, if you've not finished, please go ahead and hit the pause button. The answers for these questions will be in the description of the video on YouTube. So have a look at the description, scroll down, and then you'll see the answers to these 6 questions. I hope you found the video useful. I hope you have an understanding now of pronouns and how to use them. If you've liked it, please click like, be sure to subscribe, and check out all our other grammar videos. Thanks for watching.